Okay guys, this is the second episode on our Waakye series. Okay, we're gonna look at preparing our Waakye this time. Instead of with white rice, we're gonna try it with brown rice. Okay, semi-polished brown rice. So comparatively with the semi-polished brown rice, you have all the nutrients intact, unlike white rice. Okay, we have more of this, so we're going to use Mount Paran brown rice, as you can see it in here, and that's the texture if you want to see it. Okay, so considering some of the ingredients we're going to use today, we are looking at our blender stuff for the stew. Okay, so we have green pepper in there. That's what we can see right here. Green pepper, paprika, that's what we say it. Onion. Okay, we have some tomatoes in here. We have some meat. Okay, that's goat meat in there. We have some tin tomatoes. That's just a little. Okay, just want to make sure we get everything. Those are vegetables in there for our coleslaw. Not to mention this our shito in here. That's our brown rice, and that's some oil here to start with for the stew. Okay, that's what is going to give color to the beans that we're going to use as a base for our waakye as usual. Okay, so the beans is also going to go into the pot, and that's also going to be and basically that's going to be our base for our waakye. So we're going to boil this all together in order to get a uniform base for our waakye. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, so this is fairly or partially done. You can check the beans. See, the color has already started. You see, it's absorbed all the nutrients that the sorghum leaves have been extracted in the water. So now we can pick out our leaves and then add our rice, and then we're good to go for the second half of our waakye. Okay, so this basically, when you have the beans already cooked, you're not going to waste much time in getting this done. Okay, so let's wash our rice and then add it to it, and then start all boil at the same time. Okay, and then it's also a very economical way of boiling your eggs, so you are killing two birds with one stone. Okay, gotcha.
Okay, so now after our blended things, what we're gonna look at specifically.
Okay, so to begin with, we're going to start with our chopping of our ginger, onion, and then green pepper. As you can see it, this apple, add a couple. That's okay. I think that's enough for both steaming of the meat and then the stew as well. So let's begin with our chop. Let's go.
Okay, so we've had our blended things for into our meat. We add a little bit of onions. We add some salt. We add some Maggi. And then we simmer it for close to 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now at this stage, let's check how far our beans have gone. And then we're also going to check the texture of our beans. We're going to put it on fire. We're going to chop our cucumber. Okay. We're going to chop our carrots. Okay. We're going to chop our green pepper. So how we're going to do is that we're going to dice them. Okay. Chop. So these are eggs gone on top. Alright, this is simmering so hot. Okay, so we're eventually gonna sprinkle some. This is one of my discoveries. We're gonna sprinkle some green pepper. It gives it more flavor. Just about 4-3 chunks before we stir through. Interesting. And decide to take the leaves out.
So at this stage, we are almost done. Let's get ready to serve our delicious waakye. You invite.
Food is ready.
remember to leave a comment in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, and share. Watch out for the next episode.
Tell me what you want me next video. Remember to like and share your comment.
Hey! Are you ready?